Leanzene gummies are being promoted as a convenient weight loss supplement that claims to reduce appetite, boost metabolism, and help burn fat. But the real question is whether they actually support weight loss or just sound convincing. The product is typically marketed as a dietary supplement in gummy form, often highlighting ingredients like apple cider vinegar, vitamins, and other compounds that are supposed to help with cravings and metabolism. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some ingredients commonly used in weight loss supplements, like fiber or apple cider vinegar, have been studied for appetite control or digestion, which can play a small role in weight management. Very well health. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong clinical research proving that Leanzene gummies themselves lead to meaningful weight loss, and most of the benefits you see online come from marketing or promotional content rather than independent studies. There are also concerns with this category in general. Many weight loss gummies are sold without strict pre-approval from regulators, and evidence showing that they work long-term is limited or inconclusive. Very well health. User experiences tend to be mixed. Some people report small changes like reduced cravings or slightly better energy, while others say the results are minimal or not noticeable. It's also important to understand that sustainable weight loss usually comes from diet, exercise, and long-term lifestyle changes rather than relying on supplements alone. So, does Leanzene gummies actually support weight loss? It might offer minor support at best, but it's not a proven solution for losing weight. The bottom line is that Leanzene gummies appear to be another heavily marketed weight loss supplement with limited scientific backing, so expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.